Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be short. So, I didn't decide to vlog this one, but I'm going to vlog what I'm going to show you. So, I didn't go to the store yet to get stuff for it. So, I sneakily took stuff from around the house. Some of it was mine, like in my room, and then some of it I snuck from like downstairs. And so I will show you that. 3, okay, and now. So guys, this is what I have. I have to be very quiet because my mom's in the other room. Okay, so this is what I have. This is what it looks like when you open it. Some popcorn goes right into the door. The last Premier Protein we have. We went to Trader's and I got coffee, so I leave it in here because I don't drink it all. It takes me a while. I bought this like a while ago and it's just been sitting in the fridge. So I decided to put it in here. It's a Frappuccino vanilla. And then I had a soda bottle, a Dr. Pepper. I had Dr. Pepper soda bottle, so I found this mini thing. So I decided to put the soda in here for when I drink it. And then there was some cereal, and so I took this. This is chocolate checks, my favorite. I waited a while to see if anybody was going to eat it. And then some Oreos. There was some of that, the Oreos that were like brownie, cookie dough, and original cream in there, and then there's some of that Java chip in there, and then I have some more of that mixed cream and Java chip Oreos, and this is how I'm gonna restock it again. Checks, some Oreos. And like more Oreos. Take this, set it in there. I'm going to set the popcorn like this because you want to see the label. And then I'm going to set this Frappuccino thing in the back. I'm going to set my coffee thing right here. Hold on. I can turn that. And then set the soda thing right there. Just this Premier Protein right there. And get that in the middle and shut it. And that was it. This is it again. You open it, and that's how it is. And it is on. I'm gonna shut this. And I will move this a little bit. I wish you can make that colder. I wish you could make this colder. I am going to move this. Okay. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.